Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to change DNS server address on Windows 11 using PowerShell. Using PowerShell, you can configure your DNS server address. For that, click on this one Start button. Type here PowerShell. Right click on the Windows PowerShell entry and select Run as Administrator. This will open Windows PowerShell as administrator. Here you need to issue the command get net IP configuration. Just type it or copy from this video description and then press enter on the keyboard. Here you need to note down this one interface index number. In my PC it is 12. In case it is different on your PC, note down it, and then you need to remember a single command, that is set DNS client server address. Like this you need to remember. Here you need to change this one value. This is index interface index number, and this one is primary DNS address that I want to set on my Windows PC. After this, after copying pasting copy and paste or typing this one command, press enter on the keyboard. Again, if you want to set alternate DNS also, you need to issue the same command, then put one comma, then a space, and then type here secondary DNS address and then press enter on the keyboard. This will configure your Windows PC to an static DNS server address that will also enhance the privacy and security of your PC. In case you want to know which DNS is at present in my PC, just issue this one command ipconfig/all and press enter on the keyboard. This will show DNS server address on your Windows 11 PC that you have configured. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Gear Up Windows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.